Sorry for that little break. Too much, it's about 2 minutes, nothing London. That would just been 2 minutes of complete nothing, to be honest. That's a Boeing, 100%. I ain't that Ecuador. Swiss Airlines. Or Airways. Or Air. I have no clue. All lines. Always. Swiss Ways. Come on. Ride on an airline called Swiss Ways. Or Swiss Air. Or Swiss Airlines. Or Swiss Airways. It's just basically called Swiss. Like Thai is called Thai. I think it is. Like Danda. Yeah, by the way, I was making that from the sound of my mouth. Here he comes. He's a Boeing. It's a Boeing something. It's a Boeing something 7 4. Hey, that's an A321 by the way, not a 747 something's 4 7 something. My price said. I imagine if somebody believed that was actually Concorde. I'm sorry, Concorde. No, I saw a truck instead. And another. That thing there is a Concorde. You can see the whole Concorde. The whole Concorde. Wow. That's cool. A Concorde, nice. 5. Oh, 4 planes along, and then we got the last plane of the day. No, we're going back that way. Oh, actually, there's something this way. Oh, this guy. This came from that hole as well. To Road LT. That is a Airbus. It's another Swiss. To be honest, it is pretty cold now. If you take it, I've been standing here for around 15 minutes. It is freezing. That's freeze sing. So the freeze ing sings. Yeah, that's what it would be like. Freeze sing. I'm singing because I'm freezing. You're freestyle. Oh, not firework. We have a disruption in the background. It is a firework. Woo! Woo! Firework! Woo! Firework! Nah. To be honest, this is a Boeing. Oh, that's a special livery. Wow. Today I have saw a load of One Worlds and the Blue British Airways. I can't remember what it's called. And I saw BEA, which is the old version of British Airways. No special livery. You saw a Emirates A380 go around with, like, it literally came in and there's like another airline, I think it was something like Latam, literally crossed the runway, and then the Emirates had to go around which is also, you can maybe see, no you can't, don't think you can, but maybe I'll see the fin. That's it. Yeah, so another British Airways A380 was taking off, and then when the A380, it's the next one, the one after. Oh, nice. To be honest, they look pretty close. So yeah, they took off. So the British Airways A380 took off, and it had to go around, which also made me in shock because I've never saw an A380 go around before. I saw a 737 go around. Tui, and go around. Baba booey, baba booey. Yeah, it's 100% the next one. This is the plane I think I saw before the Emirates. Yeah, I have a tracker. If you want the tracker app, it's Flight Radar 24. It's real. It tracks every plane in the world. Okay, there's never a plane going over North Korea. Strict country, but also very nice. It is. Some of the laws are very harsh. Oh, here he comes. I can see his lights. Here he comes. It's the last one of the day, maybe? Oh, is it? I don't really have a clue. I can't check now because I'll have to stop this recording. I think it's gotta be because of the I know. If this goes around, it'll be unimaginable. Like something crossing. Don't look like it. If something does and it goes around, that'll be unpredictable. Here it comes. It's definitely an A380. Emirates, I think. Yep. It looks like it's coming through the gap. Yeah, it's an Emirates A380. Wow! That's that, I guess. There's something behind it, 100%. Because the plane lands here every minute to 2 minutes, to 3 minutes, to 4, to 5, to 6. It doesn't, this airport I don't think operates it past midnight. And I could just show one last plane. Just for the little bit of time I've got. I haven't got every inch of time in my life to do this. Bruh. Like 90-year live stream of planes landing. Bruh, put it on the floor, me dead, still see planes. Still see planes until somebody steals the iPad. And probably the iPad will run out of battery, to be full honest. Something taken off over there. Yeah, I have to show this last plane at least. It's the last plane of this video, not my life. Of course it won't be of my life. Just run. Come on. Catch the last plane. You have a chance. Harry. Oh, there you are, thank